Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So this video, as you can read by the title, is totally explaining what the difference between highlighter and bronzer is. If you guys are new to this channel, then welcome. If you're first time seeing my face, please consider subscribing and leave a comment down below for any questions that you may have about makeup, and I'll be able to answer them. So yes, let's jump right into the video. So basically, the difference between a highlighter and a bronzer in makeup is just in their purpose, in their application, like point of application, and their effects on the skin. So first, we're going to be talking about its purpose. The purpose of highlighters is to reflect light and emphasize the high point of your face. Like when you apply highlighters, like it adds this glow or radiance. Like it just adds the glow. Like when you apply it above your cheeks, something like that, it just adds glow. Some even apply, like I know that I once in a while I used to apply like in the middle of my forehead just to make my forehead shine, especially if it's like for a night out kind of makeup. Then for bronzer, it used to add warmth and a sun-kissed look to the skin. It also helps with contouring by creating the illusion of depth or shadows. Like the bronzer, listing palette is used to create depth on the face, and it helps for contouring as well. It's to add warmth. Then highlighter is applied at the top of the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the brow bone, under here. I don't know, I see that a lot. Then it's also applied on the cupid's bow here above the lip. Then the inner corner of the eyes, as you can see, I used a little bit of highlighter there. Sometimes the center of the forehead, like I said, I normally do that. Or the chin, if you want a glowy look like that, you know, popping look that you just got out into the sun. Then bronzer is applied on the cheekbones, below the highlighter, the temples, the jawline. Yeah, for those, like if you have depending on your face shape, if you have a circular face or something like that and you just want to contour your cheeks to give you that slim jaw or something like that, you can use bronzer to give you that illusion, but I don't usually do that. Then along the side of the nose, that's optional too. If you're dark skin, that girls do this a lot. We highlight the top of our nose because most times we are born with big noses. Not like big nose, like wider nose. So you just see them like they'll just like tap it here to give you that, like, I don't know if I'm explaining very well, to make it look smaller. That's the illusion. Like bronzer is just giving you the illusion. Like it just helps in contouring and giving you the illusion. Then perimeter of the face, you know, just to add warmth. You know, when you do your makeup and it's so bright, you just add bronzer. I literally just go like this. I'm going to be showing you guys like how to apply. You can see, so it's just that way. Highlighter has this shimmery luminous finish. Like when you apply highlighter, like you will glow, like that shine. I don't know if you guys know the word shine, but we use it like highlighters as a shine that you add to your face. They have shades like champagne gold, pearl, rose gold, even icy tones, anyone you want. Then you have bronzer, gives you a matte or satin finish. Some might have a little shimmer, but it's not all of them. Like the one I applied has a little bit of shimmer, but it's not that much. It's like types of warm tones like tan, caramel, bronze, or terracotta. I only know tan and caramel, and also bronze. I don't know terracotta. Then the effects. Highlighters just help make the areas of your face pop. Like it pops and make it look more lifted and radiant. And then bronzer is just add definition, like I said, create that illusion, like that you have like a slimmer jaw, slimmer nose, contoured face, like definition, depth, and a healthy tan appearance. I'm just going to be showing you guys the video of how to apply, not just talking about it. I just want to show you guys practically how we apply. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel.